So a new video of the Pixel 7 Pro has emerged, and that is about the benchmarking scores of the Pixel 7 Pro. So if you are interested about the Pixel 7 Pro's Tensor G2 chips benchmarking, then this is the video. And this is coming from the same channel who has also posted an unboxing video of the Pixel 7 Pro retail unit a long time back. And this time it is all about the benchmarking tests. Now, the Tensor G2 chip will not see a massive CPU improvement, and I think looking at this benchmark, you're gonna get that Google is not trying to chase the benchmarking results at all, but rather they're focusing on the AI capabilities and stuff like that. Now, the Tensor G2 chip will be manufactured using 4-in process node, and on top of that, the CPU clock speed of the two Cortex X1 core and the two Cortex A76 cores will be higher by about 50 and 100 MHz respectively. The Cortex A55 cores that will handle the normal day-to-day tasks will not see an upgrade at all. But few places where it will get an upgrade are like GPU, modem, better NPU and better ISP. The GPU here is gonna be Mali G17 GPU instead of the Mali G78. The modem is also upgraded to a new Samsung modem that will better connectivity and much faster 5G speed. That's all it. But the NPU and ISP upgrades are the major thing in the Tensor world, because Google Tensor is all about the AI capabilities, and that's where it will exceed. Now this year, the Pixel 7 Pro will also gonna feature portrait video that they will name movie motion blur. Now in this video we can see the obsidian color of the Pixel 7 Pro, but we also recently saw a full hazel color Pixel 7 Pro unboxing. If you want to check that video out, then I will link down below. Now let's talk about the benchmarks. Now the Pixel 7 Pro got 1054 points on the Geekbench single core test and a score of 3138 on the multi-core test. This look almost the same as the previously leaked Geekbench score. Now for reference, the Pixel 6 Pro with the first generation Tensor managed about 1042 points in the single core test and 2832 in the multi-core test according to Phone Arena. So the performance is not that much, but it has increased a bit, as I said, because of the higher clock speed and the 4-in process node. Now the Antutu benchmark actually here is 81116, which again is much lower than the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1's or even Apple's A16 Bionics benchmark scores. But then again, Google is not trying to chase those things. It's all about the AI. And through the benchmarking applications, it is very hard to measure the NPU and the ISP capabilities, and that's impossible literally. And these benchmarks are mostly about the peak performance, not everyday use cases. Like if you're thinking of sustained performance, then this benchmark won't really show anything. This is all about that peak performance that the device is capable of, or the chip is capable of producing. Now if you want to see an unboxing video of the Pixel 7 Pro hazel color, then definitely check out my recent video on that. I will link down below. And before the outro, here's one big important thing. Trust me, this is the best freaking wallpaper pack I have ever created. This is the Agate Series 3 Wallpaper Pack. This wallpaper pack has 18 super high resolution 8K wallpapers custom made for your tablets, laptops, and your smartphones. You can visit the link in the description below to check out, or simply visit my website johndavid.com for a lot more than these wallpapers, tech news, and so many stuffs. So yeah, definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.